Hello my dear boys and girls, this is the Wishing Crew, your Max mentor from 100 Learning Together. So today in this video, we are going to start with the most expected questions, the top 50 questions from the chapter Quadratic Equations, okay? So in this chapter, first let's know how many marks are going to be asked for. So you'll be having it for 6 marks, mostly it is going to be 1 mark and 1 5-mark question, okay? So when this, how are we going to prepare this is in the topics, you know that what are the topics that is comprised in this chapter. So first thing first, you have to know what is zeros, okay? So what are the roots you have to know from this, how to form quadratic equations, yes, roots or zeros or roots. Then you have to know how to form the quadratic equations, right? So once after you know how to form the quadratic equations, then the things you have to know how to solve those equations. So you'll be using factorization method, and the next thing is what? By the formula method. Yes, you will be solving the quadratic equations by formula method, okay? So once after this is done, so you will be moving on to the nature of roots. Yes, you know the roots. So you will be having 2 roots for quadratic equations, out of which you have to find how will be that roots be. Either they will be real, they will be unreal, or imaginary, they will be equal or unequal. So you have to establish the nature of those 2 roots, okay? So this is also known as what? Discriminant. Yes, you will be finding the discriminant, okay? What is the formula for it, pa? It is b square minus 4ac. So with these things in mind, you can easily find the nature of the roots. From this also they'll be giving you asking you to find k by using, they'll be giving you the roots are real, find k. That type of sums may also be expected from this type of chapter, okay? So then moving on to the 5-mark questions. So 5-mark questions are completely is going to be based on word problems, pa. In this word problems, you will be having which kind of sums you have to concentrate this kind of quadratic equations word problems, which is time and work. Then comes time and distance. Yes, okay? So I have taken sums in this regard, okay? So based on ages, based on numbers, that is 2-digit number kind of sums, right? You know, right? Then it is upstream, downstream sum, okay? So you will be having upstream, downstream sum also. Then what kind of sums you'll be having? It is related to geometry related quadratic equations you'll be having, okay? So these kind of questions has been word problems. They'll be asking you when what? Word problems, which is for 5 marks, okay? So you have to be prepared for this kind of sums, okay? So from this word problems, you have to know how to just convert this statement into the quadratic equation. Then the rest is easy. So easy. So in this quadratic equations, you can easily get the 6 marks, okay? So let's all start working on this regard. So let's start with the 50 questions here, okay? So I have given you the 50 questions in this PDF with a solution, so you can utilize it, and the link for this PDF is given in the description. So share this yes with your friends also, so that let's start learning together, okay? So all the best for your exams and for your pre-board exam preparation and all. So let's all meet in another video with the next set of 50 questions. Bye bye.